Inside this class we have void show, which is public. You can print here. Now we can call the same thing using ABC. So let's change the things. That is, this one is not there anymore because we removed that. Enter. Now we have void show. So this statement starts here and ends here. Yeah, now it's running now. So this is one of the method used to print. If you have only one class, it is easier. Only one method, it is easier. If you have more than one method, it's difficult to use this method. So this is called as, there are three types of interface: functional interface, normal interface, and single method interface. So now we are seeing single method interface and normal interface. What is functional interface is that when it is having a single class, when it is having a single method, we use this functional interface to reduce the code lines. This function is also called as lambda. So we use lambda here to use that. This one is already given in implement void show. That is, it's obvious that we know when Java enters an interface which is equal to new Java interface. So this is not required here because we all know that a given creates a constructor for its class using this. So we will remove this. After removing this, we will use an arrow key here. Then this also not required because public void shows the only method given below. So we will remove that. Then this is the body, so we require this body. Since it is a single line, we don't require any brackets. And this or this apostrophe. Now here we need to give bracket as
section.
whenever you will require to give some arguments for this constructor or this interface, we need to give brackets. For that we use brackets. This is the class. See, this is the body. You can write it in single line. So this is the power of lambda function. It is not necessary to know this, but knowing this is good. I'll make a separate video for this. Thank you.